हेलो बच्चे लोग, हाउ आर यू? व्हाट्स अप? Once again, your Deepthi Nani is back with a wonderful story. Once upon a time, there lived a female rabbit in jungle. One day, the climate was very good. It was a nice breeze and the atmosphere was amazing. And this little rabbit, she slept under the tree, and because the wind was nice, there was nice breeze, the atmosphere was good, so she got a nap. Suddenly there came a loud noise, tap, and this small rabbit just got up. She got frightened and she got up, and without looking right or left, front or back, she started running and shouting, "Run, you run! Cloud is thundering, sky is falling, save your life! Run, you run! Let us run!" And when she was running, there came one deer, and the deer asked her, "Oh, rabbit, what has happened? What has happened? Tell me why you are running. What are you speaking?" She said, "I don't have time to wait. Come on. The cloud is thundering. The sky is falling. Let us save life. Run, run, run." The deer also started running with her, and the deer also started speaking like her. When they went further, there came a monkey. The monkey also asked, "What has happened, you deer? You rabbit, what has happened? Tell me. Why are you shouting and why are you running?" But they said, "We don't have time to wait. Come on, run, run, run. Save your life. Cloud is thundering, sky is falling. Save your life. Run, run, run." The monkey also started running with them. Like this, many animals met them. Who met, you know? Then came goat, sheep, cow, buffalo, tiger, wolf, leopard, jackal, and all of them started running and shouting. And suddenly there appeared a lion, and he roared, "Ah!" He said, "What has happened? Where are you all running and why are you shouting? What has happened?" So everybody together in a very loud voice said, "That lion, our king, come on, run, save your life. The cloud is thundering, the sky is falling. Let us save our life. Run, 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 come on, let us run." And the lion said, "Come on, stop all of you. Show me who has said this." And one after another, they kept on showing, and at last they came to rabbit, and everybody said that rabbit has said this. And King Lion said, "Come on, rabbit. Come on, rabbit. Tell me, where is the sky falling? Show me the place where the sky has fallen." And the rabbit took all these animals with Lion to the tree where she was resting. And to the surprise, do you know what was there? There was a small berry fallen on the ground. But the rabbit was small, and she was a person who would get scared. She was an animal who would get scared on every single thing. So when that berry fell down, because she was sleeping, she got scared and she got a very loud noise. So she thought that the cloud is thundering and the sky is falling. And then all the animals started laughing and laughing, and even the rabbit started laughing. And she said to herself, "Oh, I am a fool. What did I do?" And then everybody said that now we should never listen to if this rabbit tells us anything. So, did you like the story? What do you learn from the story? You learn from the story is that whenever you want to take any decision or whatever you want to do anything, you should not just run. You should not take any decision hastily. You should think, you should use your brain, and whenever you go somewhere, you should look both the sides, you should look everywhere around and then start moving. Or you should also see one thing, children. I'll tell you, if suppose you go from one place to another place, if when you leave one place, if you see around and see whether you have forgotten anything or not, then it will be very helpful to you. Okay? If you like my story, give a like, share and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. And do press the notification icon. So as soon as Dipti Nani comes with a new story, you will immediately get the notification. Okay? And bye. Till I come with a new story for you. Love you, bachcha log.